The week before your wedding should be relaxing and stress free. I'm going to share a few items with you that you should definitely add to your wedding planning timeline to ensure your relaxation and your stress freedom. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Michelle Mays, your Chief Concierge for Luxury Wedding Planning in New York and owner of Renee Michelle Events. I created this channel to help brides and grooms navigate their wedding planning stress free. If this is your first time visiting my channel or watching one of my videos, be sure to click subscribe and the notification bell so you're always alerted when I post new helpful videos. You spent so much time during your planning process worrying, being concerned, being happy, being anxious. And the week before your wedding is the one time, the 6 days that you want to make sure you are absolutely at rest, relaxed, and stress free. That means freedom from the unnecessary stress. So I promised you some tips that will help you maintain that stressless week so that your wedding day can be all that you need it to be and want it to be, and you can actually enjoy it. So I'm going to get started with the tips. And make sure you add these to your wedding planning timeline, okay? Number one, schedule a spa day. Yes, a spa day. You deserve it, and you want to make sure you're relaxed. Number two, make time for a massage the day before your wedding. I know you scheduled a spa day, great. But the day before your wedding, a massage will come in so handy. Number three, and you may think this is a no brainer, but make sure you place your gown, your shoes, and all of your accessories together in one location. You know where it is, and you don't have to think about it and be concerned. Make sure you put it in a safe location. Put all of these items together in a safe location. Number four, review your makeup look and your hairstyle. It's all about your wedding day, and you want to make sure you stay in that frame of mind no matter what goes on around you. And envisioning how your face will look, your makeup, and how your hair will be styled will keep you focused on your wedding day and keep you relaxed. Number five, grab your favorite book, find a corner, and read. Just remove yourself from all the activities and just relax. And your favorite book will do that. It takes you to another place. And number six, watch a funny movie. It's nothing like laughter to relieve stress, to make you relax, and forget about everything that's going on that's not necessary for you to worry about. So these are just six items. You may come up with more as you're creating your wedding planning timeline. But no matter what you come up with, make sure that the 6 days before your wedding day, you are relaxed and stress free. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to use the comment box below. Click subscribe and the notification bell, and share this video with other brides and grooms. For more understanding about the wedding planning timeline, be sure to click the frame popping up to the right to watch my video, Creating a Wedding Timeline. See you in my next video.